So we are an agent platform company and customers build agents on us, and when they reach out to us, there are typically three buckets where their requirements would fall. Bucket one is automating operations. Think of, say, claims processing, analysis, or a loan servicing aspect for banks, etc. Or customer support, which is a very popular one. And we've always had very high success rate, like 95% success rate, because you're automating a process that is done by humans, and you're able to throw in any number of agents if you want in a recursive loop and get stuff done. The second bucket is enriching customer experience. For example, we had a very large, one of the largest retirement solutions provider in the world, and they had a calculator which the customers use to build their retirement solution, I would say, plan. And with ChatGPT, they started losing traffic because people wanted to build retirement solutions in a conversational style, not via a calculator. And they wanted to enrich the customer experience. They reached out to us. We built a multi-agent system that converses with the customer and builds out in a dynamic fashion, which is again a super high success rate. The place where we had single-digit success rate is a third bucket, which is when they want to build agents to help them increase the revenue, the top line part of it. I'm talking about AI SDR as a use case that you'd have seen, where always the ask was that, hey, I want the AI SDR to book 20 meetings for me next week. That's not how even your best SDR would work. But when it came to AI, they had this astronomical expectations, especially on the third bucket, which is to book meetings for them. They want a blog writing agent. They wanted to increase the SEO score or domain ranking by 10 points and so on, which is where all the agents failed almost spectacularly. Not because they didn't do the job, because our expectations, the human expectations, were so high. So when it comes to the third bucket, when somebody says, I want to build agents to directly improve my revenue or top line, you kind of double click and triple click to figure out what do they really want. You can still use AI SDRs to automate outbound, highly personalized outbound. That is a good outcome. But if you want AI SDRs to book meetings for you, that's not going to happen. So that's our experience, and we've burnt our fingers a lot of time. So now we are a bit more wise on where we could help our customers.